Offering a true turnkey solution. What does that mean? There's a lot of products out there on the marketplace that you can go swipe your card and be using the product in seconds. However, a lot of those require a lot of configuration, a lot of setup. Like, how do you know what your subcontractors are that you want to communicate with? How do you know what types of items you're going to punch? Your type of inspection, is it interior, exterior? The tasks or the trades that you have, is it electrical, is it plumbing? And even the descriptions even further on that. All that stuff is not pre-configured in most of the software that's out there. You kind of have to set it up. There's also, the spaces itself. Do you want to create your punches on top of a sheet that may have multiple areas on that sheet? Do you want to tell that sheet that, oh, hey, it happens to be divided up into this room and this room and this room? Well, what we offer is really a true turnkey solution. And what will happen is when you engage with us, we're going to ask you for your drawings. We're going to ask you for your list of subcontractors, and we're going to ask you, how the site is organized, how your project is organized. And behind the scenes, what we'll do is we will set all that up for you. So we'll build those defined spaces to where you navigate through the platform the way you would navigate through your building. Maybe you're in the podium or the high rise, you click on the high rise, you see all the floors, you click on the floor you want to go to, you see all the rooms that are in that floor, you click on that room and you're in that room, versus trying to navigate through a whole bunch of sheets and figure out what room that sheet is on, even though that room is not labeled. Simultaneously, we'll ask you for your list of subcontractors by trade, and we will automatically set up in the system what trade has what subcontractor and what all the communications or correspondence are with that particular subcontractor, email, phone number, etc. And then last, we will use our decades of experience in the construction industry and pre-populate those inspection types, interior, exterior, site, safety, etc., your task or trades, and the descriptions on what happens with them. And not only will we do that, but we'll set it up even further to once you choose just one of those three, we'll, through AI, take a stab at, well, what subcontractors that get assigned to, what work needs to be done, when does it get due, what space is it located in, etc. So most companies will hand you a bunch of parts and say, here, put it together. Whereas ours, in the same analogy, is true turnkey. We take all those parts from you and we put it together and we hand you the keys and say, go ahead and start going. That's a true turnkey solution.